Barbeck is a proud sponsor of local H&R Preps.
Kelly, I just got a new cell phone. It's awesome. And I just shot a video of Nick at the game tonight. Oh my God, he is so cute. I'll send it to you right now.
We help you stay connected with a cute picture here and there. Buy local. Buy Barbeck.
Hello, Herald Review sports reporter Leroy Bridges out here at Meridian High School where the Hawks took on rival Central A&M just from 5 miles down the road. Meridian finishes this one with the 65-47 win. Hawks came out a little sluggish. Coach Blickensderfer wasn't real happy with that and wasn't real sure why. They led just 12-10 after the first quarter. But as this game progressed, Meridian kind of got better offensively and started getting some stops on the defensive end. They led by 8 at halftime. Late in the third quarter, A&M cuts their deficit to 5 points off a three-pointer. At that point, Meridian kind of took control of the game. They finished on a 26-14 run. They win by 18. Meridian just kind of continues to plug and chug. Tyler Albers out with an ankle injury, likely be back for some minutes on Saturday in the Ocala Valley Conference Tournament. But in the meantime, they got great efforts from Booker off the bench. Also, Kyle Gates came off the bench tonight, didn't start for the Hawks. He led the way with 14. Booker also had 14. Caleb Brown actually a team-high 15 points, the starting post for Meridian. And that was kind of the second half focus that Coach Blick wanted the Hawks to do. Make sure the post got looks inside, and that's exactly what happened. Meridian pulls away from Central A&M, stays undefeated and atop the Ocala Valley Conference at this point. They control their own destiny. 2 more home games against St. Teresa and Tolono. All they have to do is win those, and they're conference champs. Make sure you check out hrpreps.com for full coverage of this week's Ocala Valley Conference Tournament.